You like that?
Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Hemsworth.
You're gonna hold it with one foot? Hold it with a foot. Here, step up here. Step up there. Hold that. Hold it. There you go.
Hosting Saturday Night Live. This is my second time here.
Yeah, that's
First
better.
time I hosted, thank you. It was a while ago. In fact, I think we have a picture. Look at that.
You like that? Oh, you're cute.
Such a kid back then. It's crazy seeing that photo. Wow. So I got to say, I really feel at home here now. You know, I've been horsing around with the cast all week. Feels like I'm back in Australia. You know, roughhousing with my brothers and my dad. It's like I've been hanging out with Buck Hemsworth. In fact,
What?
over here.
Look at your man, a silly bird.
Buddy?
What'd she say?
Oh, let's go have a look. How's things, man?
What'd she say, Sora? You got your bone? You got your chicken bone?
Loves it when I do that. I do. You do.
Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bobby.